off his first ball. The batsman's way off the mark on that one. He's fallen for the timing trap. Good drive, but finds a mid-off fielder. No chance of a run there. Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. Slam! Oh, what a shot! A stupendous flow that comfortably clears the stands. Well, they won't find that one in a hurry. That's an amazing six. He just hasn't been able to control the line or the length on this spell. For some spin now, an off spinner comes into the attack. Well, he's absolutely devastated that ball. It's been thumped over the field for four. Timing on that was exquisite. That shot would have made me proud if I'd hit it. Bang! That ball races away to the boundary. Brutal sky shot, soars over the pitch and into the crowd. Boy, was that full-blooded drive or what? Well, that's another four. The bowler's been throwing the kitchen sink at him for options, but nothing's working. To end the over. Excellent innings. That's a mountain of a total. Let's hope they can a chance for the batting line up to this plate. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. And he's gone for the doosra, but is it enough? An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Superb doosra. That's a poor delivery from the bowler. That's called a wide by the umpire. It's the doosra, but will the batsman fall for it? He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. Batsman's off the mark with that single. And he's brought out his mystery spin. This one's the doosra. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Exceptional bowling. That's the first wicket down in this innings. That was sloppy. He has gifted away. The batting side is sending in top order big guns now. Superb doosra. Just a complete lack of control from the bowler here, resulting in a wide. Good effort. Leaves. That's gone too wide. It'll be 4 more runs to the batting side. And he's gone for the doosra, but is it enough? A very good effort between the wickets. Opening the tally with a quick single. And he's brought out his mystery spin. This one's the doosra. Well bowled. He's forced him to play that block. Well, that's a satisfying end for the bowler as the batsman is denied. Leg spinner's becoming the boss here as he takes control. Can he convert? Great twist to the offside from the leg spinner. What a googly. That's a quick bit of leg work from these two. It's a googly! Excellent delivery from the bowler, but defended beautifully in the end by the batsman. The clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Very well disguised googly. Tough to pick it up. A direct hit from the fielder. Pinpoint aim and reflexes on show here. What a googly! Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. A sharp twist to the wrist, and that's a nasty googly. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Sneaks in the googly this time. Gee, that's a good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stump. What a performance from the winning side. They'd be really pleased with that result. An outstanding performance with the bat and a well-deserved award for man of the match.